To publish and make your Shopify store go live, follow these steps. First, ensure you have completed the basic setup of your store, including adding products, setting up payment and shipping options, and customizing your theme. Next, review your store's content, including product descriptions, images, and pages, to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Check for any broken links or missing information. Then, set up your domain name, either by purchasing one through Shopify or connecting an existing one. This will be the address customers use to access your store. After that, configure your store's taxes and shipping rates, as these will vary depending on your location and the products you sell. Now, test your store's functionality by placing a test order and ensuring that the checkout process works smoothly. Once you are satisfied that everything is working correctly, click the launch button in your Shopify admin to make your store live. Finally, promote your store through social media, advertising, and other marketing channels to attract customers and start selling. It is also important to regularly update and maintain your store to keep it running smoothly and securely. This includes keeping your theme and apps up to date, monitoring analytics to track customer behavior, and adjusting your marketing strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully publish and launch your Shopify store and start growing your online business. Remember to always follow best practices for e-commerce stores, including providing excellent customer service, offering competitive pricing, and continually evaluating and improving your store's performance.